Visit Tuscany.com. Schiacciata. Traditional Tuscan recipes. Prepare bread flour, hot water and dry active yeast. Place the flour and yeast in a large bowl. Add the water and mix with a whisk. Keep mixing until smooth and even. Leave to rise overnight. Place the fermented dough in a pot with all-purpose flour. Add water and knead the dough. Add salt. Continue kneading. Add some extra virgin olive oil. Continue kneading until the dough is no longer sticky. Leave to rise for at least 2 hours. During this time, stretch and fold the dough every 30 minutes. Knead again. Cover the bowl with a cloth. Prepare a baking tray. Grease the tray with extra virgin olive oil, spreading it all over with your hand. Place the dough in the tray. Stretch it out with your hands until it covers the whole tray. Leave to rise for about 2 hours. Add some more extra virgin olive oil and a little salt. Bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Schiacciata ingredients. First, pre-fermented dough. 1 gram of active dry yeast. 250 grams of bread flour. 250 grams of warm water. Second dough. 500 grams of pre-fermented dough. 500 grams of all-purpose flour. 250 grams of water. 6 grams of salt. Extra virgin olive oil. Method. The day before. Make the pre-fermented dough. Mix the flour with the active dry yeast and the water in a large bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and leave at room temperature until the next day. The day after. Mix the pre-fermented dough with flour, salt and water and knead until sticky and very soft. Drizzle some olive oil around the ball of dough. Cover the bowl with a wet towel and let it rise at room temperature until doubled for at least 2 hours. Stretch and fold the dough every 30 minutes. Grease a large tray with olive oil and gently stretch the dough. Leave the dough in the tray and let it rise for about 2 hours. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Drizzle more extra virgin olive oil onto the surface and sprinkle the schiacciata with some salt. Bake the schiacciata for at least 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale Ente Nazionale Sordi Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.